Seven states of India have been selected under Atal Bhujal Yojana. Find out whether your block is also a part of the program. These are the 7 states which have been selected using challenge method in the Atal Jal program. These states are Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka. In Gujarat, 6 districts have been selected under the program. In Ahmedabad district, Daskroi is the block that's been selected. Similarly, in Banaskantha district, Disa, Diodar, Dhanera, Kankrij, Tharar and Vadgam have been selected. In Gandhinagar district, Dehgam, Gandhinagar, Kalol and Mansa are under the program. In Kutch district, Bachau and Manvi blocks have been selected. In Mehsana district, Bichraji, Kadi, Kheralu, Mehsana, Satlasana, Ujna, Bijapur and Vishnagar have been selected. In Patan, Janasma, Patan and Sidhpur are the blocks under the program. 13 districts of Haryana are selected under the program. In Bhiwani district, Bhadra, Behal, Kairu, Lohara and Tosham blocks form part of the program. In Fatehabad, Tohana is selected in the program. In Gurugram, Faruknagar, Pataudi, Sohana and Gurgaon blocks have been selected. Similarly, in Kaital district, Gulha and Rajand are a part of the program. In Kurukshetra, Ladwa, Pewa and Shahabad are selected. In Karnal, the Karnal block has been selected. Similarly, in Panipat, Bapoli, Samalkha are part of the program. In Sirsa, Rania and Elanabad are part of the program. In Faridabad, the Municipal Corporation of Faridabad and Pallabgarh are selected in the program. In Mahendragarh, Nangal Chaudhary, Narnaul, Kanina, Ateli, Mahendragarh are part of the program. In Rewari, Khol block has been selected. In Palwal, Hasanpur, Hathin and Hodal are the blocks. In Yamuna Nagar, Jagadri, Mustafabad, Rador and Sadhura are a part of the Atal Bhujal program. In Karnataka, these are the districts and blocks in the Atal Jal program. Kolar, blocks are Srinivaspura, Kolar, Malur, Mulbagal and Bangarpet. In Chikkaballapur, Chintamani, Sidlaghatta, Chikkaballapur, Gauribidnor, Gudibande and Bakepalli. In Tumkur district, Chikkanayakkanahalli, Madhugiri, Koratogere, Tiptur, Sira and Timpur are selected. In Bangalore rural, Dodaballapura, Devanahalli, Hoskote and Neelamangala. In Ramanagara district, Kanakpura and Ramanagara. In Chikmagalur, Kadur block. In Chitradurga district, Challakere, Hullakere, Hiriyur and Chitradurga blocks. In Davangere, Jagaluru, Harpannahalli and Channagiri. In Bellary district, Hagari, Bomanahalli block. In Bagalkot district, Badami and Bagalkot blocks. In Gadag district, Gadag and Raun blocks. Ramdurg Athani and Sondatti blocks of the Belgaum district. Gundlu Pit block of the Chamrajnagar district and Arsikeri block of Hassan district are a part of the program. In Madhya Pradesh, 5 districts of the Bundelkhand region have been selected in the program. Chhatarpur, Naugaon, Rajnagar blocks of Chhatarpur district, Sagar block of Sagar district, Niwari, Baldewgarh, Balera blocks of Tikamgarh district, Patheria block of Damoh district and Ajaygarh block of Panna district have been selected for the program. In Maharashtra, 13 districts are a part of the program. In Pune district, Purandar, Baramati, Indapur blocks. In Satara district, Vai, Khatav, Man. In Sangli district, Kavathe Mahankal, Tasgaon, Miraj and Jat blocks. In Solapur, Pandharpur, Madha and Mahol blocks. In Jalna district, Jalna, Khansavangi, Partur. In Osmanabad district, Osmanabad and Umarga. In Latur district, Renapur, Latur, Chakur, Nilanga. In Buldhana district, Motala block. In Amravati district, Morshi, Chandurbar and Warud. In Ahmednagar, Sangamner and Rahata. In Nashik, Deola and Sinnar blocks. In Jalgaon, Parola, Amalner and Yawal blocks. In Nagpur, Narkhet and Katol blocks. Similarly, in Rajasthan, there are 13 districts as a part of Atal Bhujal program. Rajsamand block of Rajsamand district, Chittorgarh block of Chittorgarh district, Kanpur, Baran, Atru and Sangod blocks of Jhalawar, Baran and Kota districts respectively, Savai Madhopur and Khandar blocks of Savai Madhopur district, Shahapura, Pisangaon, Dholapur Sapau of Bhilwara, Ajmer and Dholpur districts, Bandkui, Dausa and Rajgarh from Dausa and Alwar districts, Amer and Govindgarh blocks from Jaipur district, Neem Ka Thana and Khetri blocks from Sikar and Jhunjhunu, Jaisalmer block of Jaisalmer district, Hindaun block of Karauli district and Hanumangarh block of Hanumangarh district. In Uttar Pradesh, a total of 10 districts have been selected from Bundelkhand region and from North Uttar Pradesh. Kabrai, Chakhari, Chaitpur, Panwari blocks of Mahoba district, Mauranipur and Babina blocks of Jhansi district, Barokhar Khurd, Tindwari, Jaspura, Narayani and Mahua blocks of Banda district, Sumerpur, Maudaha, Muskara and Sarila blocks of Hamirpur district, Karvi, Ramnagar, Mao and Manikpur from Chitrakoot district, Talbihat from Lalitpur district, Budhana from Muzaffarnagar, Kandala from Shamli district, Pilana and Bagpat blocks of Bagpat district, and Rajpura and Kharkhoda from Meerut district.